Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool unboxing right here, and basically what these are some foldable wagons that you can use to carry stuff in. So the one that I got on this side is basically from a brand called MacSports, and this one right here is from a brand called VIVOSUN. And you see the way how to design the product is actually very different. This one right here is like a square design, and when you guys do let go, it does fall down. Whereas for this one right here, if you see how it does stand up by itself, it's much more compact. So if you guys do think about it, it's much easier for you guys to put this away than this one, because this one will keep rolling back and forth. But if you guys notice, for both of them, they do give you guys a cover to actually put it on, to actually protect the product from getting dirty and etc. But first, I'm actually open up both of them to show you guys how to set it up and what the product looks like first. So we'll start with this one. So that is basically how you guys set up that one. Now let's set up this one. So once you guys set up both of them, this is what the product looks like. So you can see the size comparison between both of these. This one is definitely slightly bigger than this one. And they mentioned the weight capacity that's on here for this one versus this one. This one is 176, this is 150. So you guys definitely have the option to carry a lot more stuff on this one. And it's much more compact, just like how I showed you guys earlier. Where for this one slightly smaller, so you guys cannot carry as much stuff. Like even when you guys look at the height of the product, this one's shorter and this one's taller. So you guys have a lot more space to put stuff that's higher as well. But when you guys do compare the wheels that's on here, it actually looks slightly bigger than this one. Let me actually bring the camera a little closer to show you guys what I mean. So when I do bring the camera a little closer, you can see the wheel difference that's on here. This one is slightly smaller and this one's slightly bigger. And then in terms of the height, this is the height difference. And right here is basically what the inside looks like for this one. And here is the inside for this one. And then the way how you guys close it up is actually very easy and very simple, which I'll show you guys in a second. But let's turn both of them to show you guys what the handle looks like. So here is basically what the handle looks like for both of them. So for this one, they do have a pocket right here and one right here. Where for this one, they have a pocket right here and one right here as well. And for both of the handle, it does give you guys an option to extend it and to move it back and forth. Let me put back the camera to show you guys what I mean. So let's start with this one. If you guys raise it up, it basically locks it right there. And you definitely have the option to move it forward and backward, left and right. And if you guys want to release it, you basically want to press this button. So just like that, very easy and very simple. Now let me show you this one. If you guys raise it up, that's how far I can go. If you guys want to bring it out, you do have the option to move it forward and backward, but not left and right. So definitely a lot more flexibility on the other one when you guys do use it. And on the inner layer right here, they do have a lock option for you guys to lock it. So as you do push it, it makes it harder for you guys to push it down. But when you guys do loosen it, you do have the option to pull it up and down. So far from testing about both of them, it does seem like the VIVOSUN actually performs a lot better. So they do give you guys the option to go like this, and left and right really easy as well. But now let's try to move both of them around to see how well it works. Forward, backwards. And if you guys want to move it around, very easy and very simple. Now try the other one. So when you guys do use this one, it actually works pretty well also. But I do notice the wheels that's on here does seem a lot smoother than this one. And also if you guys notice when you guys do use the wheels on this one, it actually sounds a lot more quieter than this one as well. So that is basically what both of them looks like and how it works. Now let's put it away to show you guys how to put it away. So let's start with this one first. So as you pull out the middle part and bring it together. Once you guys bring it together, you can close it back up right here. And then you put the cover on. So once you guys put in cover, you can buckle up the bottom part. Once you guys finish putting it away, this is what the product looks like. Now let's put away the other one. So I then close this part up, take the board inside out, and there's a handle inside for you to pull up. And that basically allows you guys to bring it in together. And when you guys do bring it in, you guys have to make sure all the wheels are facing inward. And now you guys push it back together. So pushing the wheels inside is actually very important when you guys put it away. But now you guys want to tie it back up together. And now you can put the cover back on. So just like that, very easy and very simple. So So you see the whole setup process and everything definitely took a little bit longer for this one. But for me personally, I don't mind the longer setup time because if you can see the way how they designed the product is much cooler for this one than this one because it's bigger, but it also gives you guys the option to stand up like this. So that way when you guys store the product, it's much easier than this one. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So both wagons actually works pretty well and both of them are pretty worth it. But if I had to pick one between both of these, I obviously have to say that this is a better choice to go for. Because the product is much bigger in terms of capacity that you can put inside, there's a stronger weight limit. And just the overall design, like I mentioned, is so much better because it does stand up by itself for easy storage, not like the one that we do have right here. And obviously, if you guys don't like these colors, they do have many other color design as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.